All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to Project GrrMaro. I'm gonna be trying vlog style shooting today. So let me know if you guys like this. But anyways, just got here at KINGPIN. You can't see the name, but I'm here at KINGPIN. I'm grabbing my box. Gonna head inside and check out what the guys have done since I was here last. To the Camaro. They're working on the enclosure on the sub and then some stuff on the interior, like a new radio and speakers and all kinds of stuff. So, KINGPIN, local here in Las Vegas. I don't have a hand to open the door. So hard to do. All right, inside. So there's the GrrMaro behind me. And I've got my box here. I've got a shifter from MGW that I'm gonna try to check out since the guys have already actually took the interior out of the car. So let's see if I can flip this around. All right, so last time we were here, we put the heat shield on the inside of the doors. It's really amazing what this stuff can do. The car is much more solid now. Okay, so we worked on these tweeters in the front. So you can see that those are getting put in, looking pretty good. They're gonna cover that up so it looks nice and finished. Still working on the radio. And that's why I wanna do the shifter, because they've already tore out everything on the back side. There's the two 10-inch subs that are gonna be going in. Let's take a look on the back side here. Oh yeah, they're getting all mocked up. Gonna be fitting two 10s, and then 2 amps from Sony, all powered by our head unit. That will be our Scosh head unit. I think they've got a couple more things planned for the inside. Take you guys around to the tweeters. Look at that. How awesome is that? So cool. Stereo is not in yet, obviously. Tweeter on the other side. The door panels and door cards are going to be done. And then here's the back seat all torn apart. Inside the car, we are going to be continuing to tear it apart. I really hate this part of the dash, so I'm looking forward to what they're going to change with that and what they're going to put in. We've had some ideas, but I'm going to keep them from you guys because I got to keep some stuff as a surprise. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at with the car. And then I want to just show you guys all the work that they did. Check it out. All my interior panels are there. They've actually already pulled out the speakers. So I'll show you guys the rear speakers. So here are the OEM rear speakers. They're like Boston something brand. I think I've heard of that before. And then here's our Sony ones, which are super nice, much better looking, higher quality. This is the ring that the Sony came with, but unfortunately we can't use that in my application. So Chris had to go in and make this custom piece right here so it could mount to it. And a lot of fab work for this. Lots of work for these guys. They've been working really hard. All right, so that's kind of it for right now. The guys are on the other side of the building working on some things, and I'm just over here with the car, just trying to get a feel for what's happening over here. It's super crazy. I've never been through this with a car. I've never had such a nice sound system go into a car in my life. Never thought I would. So huge thanks to KINGPIN Car and Marine Audio for hooking me up. The GrrMaro is going to be a badass on the street and on the track, and even when I'm just cruising around listening to music. So can't wait for that. And be sure to check in every Monday. We have new episodes of Project GrrMaro. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.